HTC will begin selling its independent Vive Focus virtual reality headsets around the world today after an initial launch in China earlier this year. The headset, which will cost $599 in the US/EU, it is aimed at commercial customers in 37 countries. It's part of a larger attempt to make HTC VR headphones attractive to businesses, including a recently announced collaboration application called Vive Sync, which allows employees from different offices to meet and work together in virtual reality. The Vive Focus is a standalone mobile headset that tracks a user's movement with outward-facing cameras, similar to the $399 Oculus Quest headset. HTC announced it after canceling a similar headset based on Google's Daydream VR platform, and it was initially unclear if Vive Focus would be launched outside of China. However, HTC confirmed an international launch this spring, making a development kit available to US buyers. "We were impressed by the tracking quality of the Vive Focus and, since its launch, HTC has developed motion controllers with full tracking to complement its original remote control pointing device. But do not expect a direct competitor of Oculus Quest.